The historic hush money trial against former U.S. President Donald Trump has come to a close. The case is now with a jury, which will have to decide whether Trump falsified business records to hide hush money payments or not. The 12-member jury began deliberation just a short while ago, after prosecution and defense delivered closing arguments on Tuesday. Before the jury headed out to deliberate on the verdict, Judge Juan Merchan laid out the rules and instructions for general juror conduct. Merchan also reminded the jurors that the verdict has to be unanimous. In line with legal requirement, the judge also discussed and explained all 34 counts with which Donald Trump has been charged. While making closing arguments on Tuesday, prosecutor Joshua Steinglass told jurors they would need to assess whether Trump falsified business documents to cover up a hush money payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels in the run-up to the 2016 presidential elections. He further went on to say that jurors also needed to consider broader political concerns, such as the possibility of Trump and his allies, including tabloid publisher David Pecker, undermining the election by controlling what information would reach voters. Trump's lawyer urged jurors to look past the details in his criminal trial and focus on the paperwork at the heart of the case. They also urged the jurors should not trust star witness Michael Cohen's testimony. Trump's lawyer Blanche said that Cohen is a convicted felon with a record of lying. He also tried to question Stormy Daniels' credibility. The former U.S. president has pleaded not guilty on all counts and denied any wrongdoing. Legal experts say the jury may reach a verdict as early as next week. In customary fashion, Trump was seen addressing the media ahead of the jury deliberations. The former U.S. president claimed the charges against him are rigged.
Very, very corrupt. Mother Teresa could not beat these charges. These charges are rigged. The whole thing is rigged. The whole country's a mess between the borders and fake elections, and you have a trial like this where the judge is so conflicted he can't breathe. He's got to do his job. And it's not for me, that I can tell you. It's a disgrace. And I mean that. Mother Teresa could not beat those charges, but we'll see.